Spring is in the air, which means it's time for a fresh new wreath. Here's how to craft 4 different styles that are perfect for the season. To create this wreath, layer greenery, like lotus leaves and aster sprays, along the bottom of a wood bead base. Wrap them with floral wire to keep them in place. Then add flowers, starting with the largest blooms and filling in with smaller ones. And for the finishing touch, glue a wooden welcome sign across the top. We stained ours to create some contrast. The first step for this whimsical garden wreath? Trim a boxwood garland and secure it to the base with floral wire. Then layer in fern leaf picks to create a wispy, overgrown effect. Now here's the fun part. Add in small flowers, plenty of pom-pom picks, and some butterflies. And that's a wrap on this colorful wreath. For this asymmetrical wreath, we went for dried florals. Group them together in little bundles and wrap the stems with floral tape. Then use floral wire to attach the bundles to one side of a macrame ring. This traditional wreath is made with a grapevine wreath base. After trimming your floral picks, just tuck them in between the branches. We used an array of different flowers, but we kept them to only 2 colors. That's a good way to keep your wreath from looking too busy. Add a gingham bow, and this wreath is ready to hang. Excited to get started? Visit Hobby Lobby today to find everything you'll need to make your own springtime wreath. For more inspiration, subscribe to Hobby Lobby's YouTube channel and click the bell to be notified when we add new videos. We can't wait to help you live a creative life.